This customer had two absolutely gorgeous motorcycles, and this one we're going to work on. Part of the exhaust manifold had cracked and fallen apart, and you know how expensive replacement parts can be.
So if that can be repaired.
Yeah, I mean, there's not even broken chunks.
Yeah, it's all got a little bit of cracking there and a little teeny cracking there.
We'll clean it up and fix it.
And
today I'm switching over to stainless steel wire, 0.035, and they recommend Tri-Mix shielding gas. Now I do some preheat and do a few tacks and then make sure it fits. Once we confirm the fit is good, then we continue welding. And there were other small clips that held the exhaust, and it turned out great. There were a couple other small pieces like this bracket that held on to something else critical. I went ahead and welded that up since it was cracked. And the customer said don't worry about cleaning it up too much because they will get covered up.
More light.
You can't even tell where the crack was.
Yeah, I like that.
It's all blended in. Nice. For a finer finish that is exposed, obviously TIG stainless would be better. But in this application, I did MIG stainless. Thanks for checking out my channel. I hope you enjoyed this and found some value. Please subscribe.